Hello and welcome to the introduction session of Day 1 of India's first prompt engineering technology, PET-T, certification course with a specialization on artificial superintelligence, ASI, brought to you by bookspots.com and taught by digital marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan, the human AI. You're about to embark on an exciting journey, delving into the world of prompt engineering and exploring the advanced applications of AI in today's fast-paced technological landscape. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of prompt engineering technology, PET. This course is designed to give you a solid foundation in the art of prompt engineering, so you can harness the power of AI to create amazing technological solutions. Prompt engineering is a rapidly growing field which combines the art of asking the right questions and giving the right instructions to AI systems. This allows for the creation of powerful tools such as chatbots, language translators, and even image and video classification systems. Day 2, understanding the vital role of prompt engineers in the tech industry. Prompt engineers play a crucial role in the development and implementation of AI systems. They have to be creative problem solvers who are not only knowledgeable about how AI works, but also know how to ask the right questions and give the right instructions to get the best results. In many ways, prompt engineers are like the bridge between humans and machines. They need to understand both the human perspective and the AI's capabilities in order to build solutions that are effective and user-friendly. Day 3, Basics of Artificial Intelligence, AI. Usage in prompt engineering. To get a solid understanding of prompt engineering, it's important to have a good grasp of the basics of AI usage. The key is to think of AI as a powerful tool that can be used to solve a wide range of problems, from image recognition to language translation. In prompt engineering, AI is used to analyze huge amounts of data and then make predictions or recommendations based on the patterns it detects. This can be a huge time saver for businesses, allowing them to automate processes and make better decisions faster. Day 4, Overview of Artificial General Intelligence, AGI Concepts and Application. The field of artificial general intelligence, AGI, is one of the most exciting areas of AI research. AGI is the concept of creating machines that can perform any intellectual task that a human can. This is a massive leap from the narrow AI that we see in most applications today, which is only trained to perform specific tasks. AGI would be able to learn and adapt to new situations on its own and even have a deeper understanding of the world. Day 5, Overview of Artificial Superintelligence, ASI Concepts and Application. Artificial superintelligence, ASI, is a theoretical level of AI that goes beyond AGI, and it's a fascinating but somewhat frightening topic. ASI would be capable of creating new technology, solving previously unsolvable problems, and possibly even achieving human-like consciousness. While this might sound like science fiction, some experts believe that ASI could become a reality in the next few decades, though the exact timeline is very hard to predict. Day 6, Introduction to Neural Networks. A neural network is a type of machine learning algorithm that is loosely inspired by the human brain. Just like the brain, neural networks consist of interconnected nodes or neurons that process and transmit information. The neurons in a neural network are actually just mathematical functions which take input values and produce an output value. These neurons are then grouped into layers, which are connected to each other in a hierarchical structure. Day 7, Basics of Machine Learning and Deep Learning. Machine learning is a subfield of AI that involves training algorithms to learn from data rather than being explicitly programmed. This is how AI systems are able to improve over time as they are fed more and more data. Deep learning is a specific type of machine learning that uses deep neural networks, which are composed of multiple hidden layers. These deep neural networks are what allow AI systems to perform complex tasks, like understanding natural language or recognizing objects in images. Day 8, supervised and unsupervised learning. There are two main types of machine learning: supervised and unsupervised. Supervised learning is when the AI system is given a data set with known outputs, and it must learn how to map inputs to outputs. For example, a supervised learning algorithm could be used to predict whether a loan applicant will default on their loan based on their credit score and other financial information. Unsupervised learning is when the AI system is given a data set without known outputs. The system must identify patterns in the data and group similar items together. Day 9, neural network architectures. Feed-forward, recurrent, convolutional. Neural networks come in a variety of architectures which are designed for different types of problems. Feed-forward neural networks are the simplest type of neural network. They have an input layer, multiple hidden layers, and an output layer. This type of neural network is trained on a fixed number of inputs, and it produces a single output. Recurrent neural networks are similar to feed-forward neural networks, but they have connections between the hidden layers. This allows them to process sequential data, such as text or audio. Day 10, a brief introduction to large language models. Large language models, or LLMs, are a type of neural network that has been trained on massive amounts of text data. They can be used for a wide variety of natural language processing tasks, such as language translation, text summarization, and question answering. Some popular LLMs include OpenAI's GPT-3, Google's BERT, and Microsoft's Turing NLG. These models have been trained on billions of words, allowing them to generate human-like text and perform complex natural language tasks. Day 11, Natural Language Processing, NLP. Basics. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a branch of AI that deals with the interaction between computers and human language. NLP is what allows AI systems to understand and generate human-like text, and it's a crucial component of prompt engineering. Some key NLP tasks include text classification, determining the category or topic of a piece of text. Text generation, generating human-like text from scratch or by completing a partially written sentence. Day 12, natural language processing, NLP, advanced concepts. Now that we have a basic understanding of NLP, let's dive deeper into some of its more advanced concepts. One important concept is named entity recognition, NER, which is the process of identifying and classifying named entities in text. For example, NER could be used to identify people, locations, and organizations in a piece of text. Another important concept is machine translation, which is the process of translating text from one language to another. Day 13, massive text generation methodologies and language translation applications. Today, we'll focus on two powerful applications of NLP: text generation and language translation. Massive text generation methods are used to create large amounts of human-like text from scratch or by completing a partially written sentence. These methods can be useful for creating synthetic training data for AI models or for generating personalized content for marketing campaigns. Language translation is another important NLP application. It involves converting text from one language to another, and it's a critical tool for businesses that operate globally. Day 14, sentiment analysis and text classification. Today, we'll explore two more NLP applications: sentiment analysis and text classification. Sentiment analysis is the process of determining the sentiment or emotional tone of a piece of text. This is useful for analyzing customer feedback, reviews, and social media posts to understand how people feel about a particular product or service. Text classification, on the other hand, is the process of assigning a category or topic to a piece of text. This can be useful for categorizing customer support tickets, classifying news articles, or filtering spam messages. Day 15, multimodal learning. Today, we will dive into the fascinating world of multimodal learning. Multimodal learning is a type of AI that combines different modalities of information, such as text, images, and videos. This type of learning is important because it allows AI systems to better understand the world around them. For example, a multimodal system could use image recognition to identify objects in a video, and then use natural language processing to describe what's happening in the video. Day 16, image and video classification. Today, we will focus on two important applications of multimodal learning: image and video classification. Image classification is the process of assigning a label to an image based on its content. For example, an image classifier could be trained to identify animals in photos. Video classification, on the other hand, is the process of classifying video clips based on their content. This can be used for tasks like detecting violence in videos or identifying specific actions in sports footage. Day 17, Introduction to Computer Vision. Computer vision is a branch of AI that deals with teaching computers to understand and interpret visual data. It's one of the most important applications of AI, and it's used in everything from facial recognition to self-driving cars. Some of the key concepts in computer vision include feature extraction, object detection, and image segmentation. Feature extraction involves identifying important parts of an image, such as edges or textures. Object detection involves identifying objects in an image or video, and image segmentation involves dividing an image into meaningful parts, such as different objects or regions. Day 18, Object Detection and Segmentation. Today, we will delve deeper into two important computer vision techniques: object detection and image segmentation. Object detection involves identifying and classifying objects in an image or video. This can be done using techniques like convolutional neural networks, CNNs, which are particularly effective at identifying objects in complex images. Image segmentation, on the other hand, involves dividing an image into parts or segments. This can be useful for tasks like identifying the boundaries of different objects in an image or separating foreground objects from background. Day 19, Neuromorphic Computing and Concepts Related to Brain-Inspired AI. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of neuromorphic computing and brain-inspired AI. Neuromorphic computing involves building computer systems that are inspired by the human brain, and it's an exciting area of research in AI. These systems are often more energy efficient and faster than traditional computers, and they can be used for tasks like recognizing patterns, making predictions, and controlling robots. Day 20, Spiking Neural Networks. Today, we dive into the world of spiking neural networks, SNNs. These networks are inspired by the spiking activity of biological neurons, and they offer a promising alternative to traditional artificial neural networks. Unlike conventional neural networks, which process inputs in a feed-forward manner, SNNs process inputs in a more dynamic and temporally continuous manner. This allows SNNs to better represent dynamic patterns in the environment, and they are particularly well-suited to tasks like sensor-emotor control and cognitive processing. Day 21, Using digital mind cloning software. In our exploration of digital mind cloning, we delve into the fascinating realm of creating a digital representation of a person's mind. This technique involves collecting a wealth of data about a person's personality, memories, and other aspects of their cognition, which is then used to construct a digital avatar that can be utilized for an array of applications, including personalizing AI assistants or creating virtual avatars. Day 22, applications of neuromorphic computing. Neuromorphic computing has the potential to revolutionize the way we use AI, and there are a wide range of potential applications for this technology. Some of the most promising applications include energy-efficient AI. Neuromorphic computing could help us create more energy-efficient AI systems, which is important for sustainability and for devices like smartphones and wearables. Robotics. Neuromorphic computing could be used to create robots that are more adaptive and responsive to their environments, allowing them to perform tasks like cleaning, cooking, and even childcare. Day 23, Evolutionary Algorithms, EA. In our course, we turn our attention to the fascinating field of evolutionary algorithms. These algorithms are inspired by natural selection and evolution, and they are designed to solve complex problems by mimicking the process of genetic variation and natural selection. In evolutionary algorithms, a population of potential solutions is created, and the best solutions are selected and combined to form new solutions. Over time, the population evolves to become more and more optimized for the problem at hand. Day 24, AI-driven programming and pair programmers. Today, we explore the world of AI-driven programming, which involves using AI to automate or assist in the process of writing code. Pair programming is one of the most promising applications of AI-driven programming. In pair programming, a human programmer works alongside an AI assistant, and the two collaborate to write code. The human provides guidance and context, while the AI performs tasks like suggesting code snippets, refactoring code, and finding bugs. Day 25, Automated Code Generation and Code Cloning Technologies. In the world of software development, the tasks of writing, testing, and maintaining code can be labor-intensive and time-consuming. Automated code generation and code cloning technologies are designed to alleviate some of this burden by automatically generating code or cloning existing code for new projects. Automated code generation involves using templates and frameworks to quickly generate working code, while code cloning involves copying existing code and making modifications to meet the requirements of the new project. Day 26, Software Application Development using AI and AI integrations. Today, we delve into the exciting world of software application development, where AI is increasingly being integrated to automate and streamline the development process. AI-powered tools are transforming the way software applications are developed, from generating code to testing and deploying applications. For instance, AI-powered IDEs can auto-suggest code snippets and provide debugging assistance, while AI-powered testing tools can automate testing and find bugs faster. Day 27, Generative Design and Creativity. Generative design involves using algorithms to create multiple design alternatives based on specified parameters. These algorithms are able to explore a vast number of design possibilities, often creating solutions that would never have been thought of by humans. This technique has many applications, from architecture and product design to fashion and even music composition. It represents a new paradigm in design, where AI is used as a creative collaborator. Day 28, Human-robot interaction tools and other related AI inventions. As robots become increasingly common in our homes and workplaces, the ability to communicate with them effectively becomes critical. Human-robot interaction, HRI tools, are designed to facilitate communication and collaboration between humans and robots. This includes natural language processing, gesture recognition, and emotional intelligence. Other related AI inventions include exoskeletons, which can augment human strength and endurance, and smart prosthetics. which can communicate with the brain to restore lost sensory and motor function. Day 29, Dialogue Systems and Chatbots Making. In the world of artificial intelligence, dialogue systems are increasingly important. These systems allow humans to interact with computers using natural language, making it easier to access information or perform tasks. Chatbots are a prime example of dialogue systems, and they are becoming ubiquitous in customer service and other applications. Creating a chatbot involves using natural language processing to understand a user's input and then using dialogue management to generate an appropriate response. The chatbot's knowledge base is also important as it contains the information that the chatbot will use to generate its responses. Srinidhi Ranganathan is your guide on this journey to becoming a certified prompt engineer. By learning from him and mastering the art of prompt engineering, you can establish yourself as an expert in the field and attract high-value clients. Remember, this audio course is just the beginning. To truly become a master of prompt engineering, you need hands-on experience. Visit bookspots.com and enroll in the full-fledged program taught by Srinidhi Ranganathan to unlock your full potential and take your career to the next level.